All right, so now the next part that we're going to move on is this writing settings. So the writing settings practically deals with the writing part of your website, and this writing part is something that you can find in the post section or in the pages section. So if you want to navigate to the writing settings, you move your cursor to right here to writing, and when you click on writing, it's going to show it here. So the first part that we're going to see in your writing settings is the default post category. So when you see the default post category, you're going to see something like this. So the default post category simply means that whenever you write a new post, so the default category that is going to be assigned to it is uncategorized. So if you want to change that, you can click on, so let's say for instance I want to change it to something else. So I can just create a new categories. So when I click a new categories, random, I'll give it some, and then let me add new category. So now I have two categories on this website, which is random and uncategorized. So if I want to make this random as the default category, so all I have to do is go down to settings and then click on writing. So, and from here I can change the default post category from categorized to random. So this simply means that anytime I write a new post, so it's going to automatically assign the random category as the default post category. So we also have default post format, so it is best to just leave this as it is. This is actually advanced settings that you don't want to tamper with for now. And you also have post via email. So post via email, to post to WordPress by email, you can set up a secret email account with this. So any email that you post is going to enable you to be able to post to your WordPress site via email, but this is actually optional for now, so you can just keep this aspect. And we also have update site settings. So for update site settings, you can also make some changes here. So but because of the site visibility settings, so WordPress is not notifying any update service. So if I want to change that, I will have to first change my site visibility settings. So let me do that and see the changes that is going to show me. So because I actually changed it that it should discourage search engine from indexing sites. So but we're going to talk about that. So let me uncheck this for now and go back to writing. And so you can see, so from update services, when you publish in, so this is actually the writing, we are still on the writing tab. So I just want to show you what really happens here. So when you publish a new post, WordPress automatically notifies for below right site update services. So this below update services notify that a new post has been published on your website. So this is actually a WordPress or a update services. So it actually pings that a new post has been published on your site, and you can actually also add other update services that you can add them to this here and click on save changes. So that is all about the writing tab settings. If you have any question, you are always feel free to leave a comment or send an email to the instructor, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.